Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix background noise in OBS when using a Focusrite interface. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application loads, direct your attention to the audio mixer section. This is where you'll find all your audio sources and be able to adjust their settings to improve your sound quality. In the audio mixer, locate your microphone source. This will typically be labeled as mic/aux or might appear as your audio input capture source, depending on how you've set things up. Once you've found it, you'll notice a small icon beside the audio source name. Go ahead and click on that icon, and from the menu that appears, select Filters. This is where the magic happens, as filters allow you to process and clean up your audio in real time. Now, in the Filters window that opens up, look at the bottom left corner. You'll see a plus icon. Click on it to add a new filter. From the list that pops up, select Limiter, and then click OK to add it. The limiter is crucial because it prevents your audio from peaking too high, which can cause distortion and make background noise more noticeable. Once the limiter is added, navigate to the threshold setting. Click directly on the text field next to it and set the value to -3 dB. This will help control the maximum volume of your audio and reduce any sudden loud noises. Next, you'll want to add another filter to further refine your audio. Go back to the bottom left corner and click the plus icon again. This time, select Compressor from the list and click OK. A compressor works by evening out the dynamic range of your audio, making quieter sounds more audible while keeping louder sounds in check. This is especially helpful when using a Focusrite interface, as it ensures consistent audio levels throughout your stream or recording. With the compressor added, navigate to the ratio setting. Right beside it, you'll see a text field. Click on that field and set the ratio to 3. This ratio determines how much compression is applied to your audio. A ratio of 3 strikes a good balance between maintaining natural sound quality and reducing background noise effectively. Once you've configured both the limiter and compressor, click the close button at the bottom right of the filters window. Your settings will be saved automatically, and your audio should now sound much cleaner with significantly reduced background noise. And that's it. You've successfully configured OBS to minimize background noise when using your Focusrite interface. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.